Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for supporting the channel so far. It feels extremely great to create such helpful videos when you guys appreciate them. In case you are new to this channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about some of the different methods to watch deleted YouTube videos. Whether the owner has manually deleted a YouTube video or has got it removed due to copyright issues, for example, these methods will help you watch your favorite YouTube videos again that have been deleted off of the platform. We're going to discuss 4 methods to recover and watch deleted videos from YouTube. Each of these methods will work in dedicated scenarios and you have to choose the right one as per your situation. So without wasting a second, let's start with the first method. One of the infamous ways to find and watch deleted YouTube videos is to use your backups. If you've downloaded the video onto your PC or smartphone and have backed it up into a cloud platform or an external hard drive, for example, you'll be able to recover it quite easily. However, this method will only work if you've created a backup for the desired video that you want to watch. Simply search for your backup if you've created one, like I have created here for all my backed up YouTube videos. Then you just want to select the desired YouTube video from your backup file. If you're stuck in this situation, it might be quite obvious that you haven't backed up the video file. However, it's always worth double checking. But if you haven't backed up the video file in a backup folder, what would be your next option to watch the removed YouTube videos? The answer is using Wayback Machine. Wayback Machine is an internet archive or website archive system that has strong information about different websites across the internet since 1990. This basically means that if you've got the video URL, Wayback Machine will be able to fetch that YouTube video in no time. So let's walk through the detailed procedure on how to use the Wayback Machine website to watch deleted YouTube videos with your link. First, you'll have to find the video URL. If you've shared the video on other social media platforms, it won't be a challenge for you to get the link. Also, if the video was deleted from your channel, you can actually easily fetch this URL from your YouTube email account. Once you have got the video's URL, go to the official Wayback Machine website and paste the link in the search bar. Wait for a couple of seconds and the website will automatically display a list of dates. Select the date before the video was deleted and all the videos that match with that URL will appear. Simply choose the desired video from the list and download it onto your PC safely. No doubt the previous method will help you get your deleted YouTube video easily, considering you have the URL. But what if you can't find the video link? Well, the good news is that you can still watch the deleted YouTube video on your device via our next method, although you may struggle a bit to find the desired video. There are many situations when videos that are removed from YouTube are uploaded back by another YouTuber. They either change its titles or add a 4 to 5 second transition in the beginning to protect it from getting copyrighted. So you can simply go to YouTube and search the video name. In case you still can't find the video, open up google.com and search for this in the search bar. The search engine will spit out all the videos that resemble that title of the video. You can browse through all of these results to find your desired YouTube video. In case none of the previous solutions work in your favor, you can try to use a data recovery software like Wondershare Recoverit to find and watch the deleted YouTube video. Recoverit is a cross-platform data recovery tool that works with both Windows and Mac. It supports more than 1,000 file formats, which means that you'll be able to recover every deleted file from different types of media storage. Recoverit also lets users watch a preview of the file before restoring it to the PC. This will help them ensure that the selected video file is not damaged and plays without any interruption. So, if you're ready to get back your deleted YouTube video from your computer using Wondershare Recoverit, simply install the software on your PC and follow these quick processes. Launch Recoverit and choose the location where the YouTube video was stored and deleted. If the files were deleted from an external hard drive, you can simply connect it to the PC and select it under the External Devices tab. Click Next and wait for Recoverit to scan the storage device for deleted files. Depending on the overall storage, this process may take a while to complete. After the scanning process completes, browse through the results to choose the YouTube videos that you were looking for. Select the desired file files and click Recover to restore them on your PC. If you want, you can tap the preview button to check the files before recovering them. That's it. Once you've got your video back, you can either re-upload it onto YouTube or securely save it onto your PC for future use. Just a quick note, Recoverit Data Recovery can only recover deleted YouTube videos which were downloaded and stored in a local location like a PC or external hard drive. It can't recover deleted YouTube videos online. But that's all on how to view deleted YouTube videos. Use these methods and you'll be able to get back all the deleted YouTube videos in no time, whether you have the URL or not. If this video did help you out in watching a deleted YouTube video or getting it back, then make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And if you want to watch similar videos in the future, please hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future videos. Anyway, everyone, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.